It's a new 2024 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Ram gets the job done. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.